Boiler installation Glasgow. We also cover Paisley, Clydebank, East Kilbride, Hamilton and Renfrew. Our gas engineers offer boiler installation and boiler replacement, for both residential and commercial customers. If your old boiler is not working efficiently, it could be costing you money. A new A+ rated energy efficient boiler will save you money. We can help you decide on the best new boiler, to suit both your needs and your budget. All engineers are fully qualified and registered on the Gas Safe Register, and approved installers for a long list of top manufacturers. So don't leave yourself shivering in the cold. For more information on boiler installation or boiler replacement, contact us today on 07480 488479.